Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, the mean girl energy that Utarella was giving on this latest episode of Izingane Zesthembu. Busy laughing there ingatiana, she doesn't care a damn about anything that's going on. Kantu Kelly, she knows ukuthi she is laughing in pain. The jabs that she was throwing at Uamahle, at this point I'm even asking myself, Utarella, my babe, have you forgotten, Uguti, you are not part of the Zesthembu family? The way she was speaking was as if Yana, she's part of the Zesthembu family and the Zesthembus are siding with her. And Yana, now she's trying to make the new person feel like an outcast, the new person being Uamahle. And Uamahle, guys, there she was just sitting like a lost puppy as Tulele Bandla. And I feel like the fact that Uamahle was just quiet and not giving Utarella what Utarella or the reaction Utarella wanted out of her was just making Utarella look like a crazy girl. You know, personally, I was starting to warm up to Utarella, but this episode just reminded me of Utarella from season 1. That bad, stinking attitude that she brought to that family trip when they went, was it to, not Sunset, but the pool vibes. There was some pool vibes where she was giving Usne attitude for Usne getting her a swimsuit that she didn't like, something like that. Because even on next week's episode, we see Utarella all of a sudden she's acting Mungu to the rest of the siblings. Guys, if I was a Mselebu child, at this point, I was going to say to production, Gagapela, figure out something with you when we go out on these trips. Now, as a Mselebu child, I'd like to be doing something different. Because I can't be subjected to Mpumelelo and his girlfriends giving me attitude every time. And yo, guys, that must be tiring. At this point, I just feel like Utarella is trying too hard. Even that conversation I say on the dinner table, like if I was Mpumelelo as well, guys, I'm not even trying to speak for Mpumelelo, I would have been irritated. Because guys, rewind to last week, who is the person who even took Lendaba to Mpumelelo? Was it not Utarella? Because the girls, whose name? Utarella, Beno Abongwe and Umpilo, they went out. Bamchan Utarella, Utarella, ungaiti vu, Lendaba. When you get le as fuben, what Utarella went to and do? She went to and open up her mouth. So the reason why Mpumelelo even knows about this whole thing is because of her. They specifically told her not to tell Mpumelelo because the siblings know how Mpumelelo is. He likes to act like a minim selego ingatiana. He's the oldest amongst those siblings. So why yana and now she wants to bring it up here on the table. Mpumelelo, you owe Usne apology. No, she must go and speak it there. And then if Indotayake takes Avumeke, Uti was wrong, then they can bring the conversation to the table where Mpumelelo then publicly apologizes to Usne in front of the other siblings. But I also wouldn't have appreciated if my girlfriend, being Utarella, came to me in that way. And even the tone that she's using Utarella, it's almost as if she's acting ingati, like you're gonna listen to whatever I'm saying. Girl, calm down. You're just making yourself look like a fool in front of Uamahle, because I just felt like that was an attempt to show Uamahle in a type of way ukuthi yena Mpumelelo naye bayazwana, she is Mpumelelo soulmate and vice versa, and they listen to one another. Kanti hi guys, umfana akasekho lapho. Back to Uamahle, guys. Uamahle, I feel sorry for this girl. How do you get married to a guy? Or you accept inobolo yakhe and say, would you want to get married to this guy? Whereas you can boldly say, oh, if I give a child to this man, meaning that you can see already the red flags. What are you like? No, I'm going there. Hi, guys. It's one thing for you to enter a relationship and you are delulu about certain things. But Uamahle, she is not delulu. She knows very well what she's getting herself into. And she's continuing. She even says, they have a lot of problems. My only concern for her is that she doesn't turn out to be a Mayeni in this Zesthembu type of situation that's going on with Mpumelelo, where she keeps quiet for all these years in the name of peace, and she can see everything that's going on. Because we've seen with Mayeni, the only thing it does for you is that it builds up resentment and anger towards the person. I don't even think this drama I don't even feel like it suits her, guys. Even in this episode, I'm just like, she doesn't even blend in with this this family. And then Ngolo Tangada, she doesn't blend in. At times I even forgot Utu Amahe was there. It was only Utarella and the jabs she was throwing that made me or reminded me Utu Anje, who Amahe is there. But anyway, guys, let's pop it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.